Hey guys, Captain Rush here with Local Knowledge, and today I want to talk to you a little bit about a rig I use in the wintertime a lot. And I use this rig when I'm slow trolling for wahoo and kingfish. Now when I make these rigs, I usually sit down on a windy day or when I got a little bit of time on my hands, and I don't just make one or two rigs. I'm going to sit down and I'm going to make 10, 20 rigs at one time. The best way I found to do that is to go ahead and pre-cut everything, okay? Have everything laid out, your hooks, your wire, your swivels, and then you just have all the pieces and you start putting them together. So I'm going to start at point A right here. I'm always going to use the smallest, strongest swivel I can find. I don't want this swivel going through the water, making a bunch of bubbles, and having other fish come across and cut it off while I'm fighting my fish. Going down from the swivel, I do a haywire twist to a 24-inch piece of single strand wire here, okay? From there, I go to another haywire twist to my 7/0 VMC short shank hook. Moving on from there, I have my trail hooks. I have my VMC 6-strong treble hook right here. As you can see, this slides so I can put it anywhere in the bait I want. If I have a smaller bait, I can move it forward. If I have a bigger bait, I can move it back. And right here, this is my stiff rig, and this is the final piece to the puzzle right here. So I'm going through the eye, coming around the bottom of the treble, coming up the other side, and back out the other way. You can see that right there. Now I'm gonna finish this off with another haywire. Sometimes I'll pin this in the tail if I got a really big bait, or I'll just let it dangle free and drag behind the bait, just like this. This is my go-to rig when I'm slow trolling big baits. Primarily blue runners and speedos. If I can catch some little bonitas, I also use this rig with those. Targeting kingfish, targeting wahoo. I've caught sailfish, tuna, mahi, all kinds of different species with this rig. Guys, thanks for watching. If you like our content, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and leave us a comment. Let us know what you want to see.